Whew. Hey foodies, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. We're still in this magnificent kitchen of University Manor. You can rent this house for a short-term rental. It's in the region of East Lansing, Michigan. Please check on the link below in the description for more information. Okay, let's check what's in the fridge, shall we? So what's in this fridge I can use today? Oh, tenderloin, perfect. What else? Okay, carrots, onion, and wine for the sauce. Okay, we also have butter, bouquet garni, which is a mix of bay leaves and thyme. That's for the taste, delicious for the sauce. And today I will use pitted dried plum because I'm gonna cook the pork tenderloin with these here. You'll see it's delicious. A little bit of flour to thicken it all up. This is Chardonnay for cooking. I usually use 1 glass like this. And I will also use a chicken broth I found in the supermarket. That's gonna be a delicious sauce. I will use 1 glass. Here we go. And this goes in the fridge, of course. That sounds great so far. So what else? Of course, salt and pepper for the seasoning. I guess we're ready. Let's go. So what you will need to make a pork tenderloin and plums for 4 is 1 pound of pork tenderloin with bouquet garni, 2 carrots peeled and chopped, 1 onion peeled and sliced. And for the tasty sauce, butter, a glass of chicken broth, a glass of white wine, this is Chardonnay, a tablespoon of flour to thicken it all up. And we'll finish it up with a handful of pitted dried plums. It's really up to your taste, really, you know. But you'll put that at the end of the cooking for, let's say, 10 minutes or so before serving. French word of the day. The French word of the day is filet mignon for pork tenderloin. Filet mignon. Definitely the most tender part of our quadruped friend here. Use butter to lightly brown all sides of the tenderloin in a Dutch oven, such as this one, over medium-low heat. Once done, set the tenderloin aside. Peel and slice onion and add to the pan. Make it sweat with more butter. Then add a tablespoon of all-purpose flour and mix. Then deglaze with white wine and mix. Now add tenderloin, peeled and chopped carrots, white wine, chicken broth, bay leaves, thyme, and season to taste with salt and pepper. Mix, cover, and let it simmer for 40 minutes over low heat. As you see, it's winter in Michigan. Pretty cold outside. This is why we're making such good food. A dish with a sauce. It's good for the body, it's good for the mind. So, how is it doing? Nice. So while this is cooking, we're in the kitchen of the University Manor house. This is a family house, a luxury family house. We're renting in the East Lansing area in Michigan. This is a rental for short-term stays, and you can check on the description of this house below this video here. Don't hesitate to get there, have a look at the pictures, and get back in touch with me if you're interested. Talk to you very soon. Ten minutes before serving, add the pitted dried plums and mix. You can serve this dish with a light red Cabernet Franc or Cabernet Sauvignon and fresh tagliatelle pasta. Thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. I hope you enjoy watching this video, so give a thumb up and show your support. Don't forget to comment and leave your opinion in the section below. Of course, subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel to be notified about all our new videos. It helps us a lot. Thank you very much for that. Et donc, in the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt.